Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini with a debit card. I know that buying Bitcoin can be a bit confusing, especially if you're new to cryptocurrency. But I'm here to help you through the process. Why use Gemini? Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about why I chose Gemini. Gemini is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange that is known for its security and reliability. It's also one of the few exchanges that allow you to buy Bitcoin with a debit card. How to buy Bitcoin on Gemini with a debit card? Now that you know why I chose Gemini, let's get started with the process of buying Bitcoin. Create a Gemini account. The first thing you need to do is create a Gemini account. To do this, go to the Gemini website and click on the Sign Up button. Once you're on the Sign Up page, you'll need to provide your name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to create a password. Verify your identity. After you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that helps to prevent fraud. To verify your identity, you'll need to provide a copy of your government-issued ID, such as your driver's license or passport. You'll also need to provide a selfie of yourself holding your ID. Link your debit card. Once you've verified your identity, you can link your debit card to your Gemini account. This will allow you to buy Bitcoin with your card. To link your debit card, go to the Settings tab and click on Link Cards. Then click on the Add Card button. Buy Bitcoin. Now that you've linked your debit card, you can buy Bitcoin. To do this, go to the Buy and Sell tab and click on Buy Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and click on the Buy button. Withdraw your Bitcoin. Once you've bought Bitcoin, you can withdraw it to your personal wallet. This will allow you to store your Bitcoin safely. To withdraw your Bitcoin, go to the Wallet tab and click on Withdraw. Here are a few tips for buying Bitcoin on Gemini. Be sure to factor in the fees when you're calculating how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Gemini offers a variety of purchase options, so be sure to choose the one that's right for you. If you're new to cryptocurrency, it's a good idea to start with a small amount of Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin on Gemini with a debit card is a relatively simple process. However, it's important to do your research and understand the risks before you start investing in cryptocurrency. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. I also encourage you to check out my website, where you'll find more information about cryptocurrency and investing. Thanks again for watching.